Your roof shingles do more than protect your home from the elements. They play a major role in preserving comfort, preventing damage, and maintaining curb appeal. With regular care, shingles can last longer and perform better, saving homeowners from unexpected repairs. For homeowners in Macomb, understanding simple shingle maintenance tips can make a big difference in protecting your home year after year. Inspect your roof regularly. Routine inspections are one of the most effective ways to catch shingle problems early. Homeowners in Macomb should visually inspect their roof at least twice a year, as well as after strong storms. Look for missing, cracked, curled, or loose shingles, which can allow moisture to penetrate beneath the surface. You don't need to climb onto the roof. Often, signs of damage are visible from the ground or an upper-level window. Early detection helps prevent small issues from becoming costly repairs. Keep gutters clean and clear. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up onto the roof, increasing the risk of shingle damage. When water doesn't drain properly, it can seep under shingles or cause them to deteriorate faster. Macomb homeowners should regularly clean gutters and downspouts to ensure water flows freely away from the roof. Keeping gutters clear helps shingles stay dry and reduces unnecessary stress on roofing materials. Remove debris promptly. Leaves, branches, and other debris can accumulate on the roof over time. When debris sits on shingles, it traps moisture and can lead to premature wear or damage. Clearing debris promptly helps shingles dry properly and prevents surface deterioration. For homeowners in Macomb, this simple habit supports longer shingle life and a healthier roof overall. Watch for moss or algae growth. Moss and algae growth can affect both the appearance and performance of shingles. These growths hold moisture against the roof surface, which can weaken shingles over time. If you notice dark streaks or green patches, it's important to address them carefully. Gentle cleaning methods help remove growth without damaging shingles. Avoid harsh tools or pressure that could strip protective layers from the shingle surface. Check flashing and roof edges. Shingles work together with flashing and roof edges to keep water out. Damaged or loose flashing can allow moisture to sneak beneath shingles, even if the shingles themselves appear intact. Macomb homeowners should keep an eye on flashing around chimneys, vents, and roof edges. Addressing issues early helps maintain the roof's protective barrier and prevents hidden leaks. Trim overhanging branches. Trees near the home provide shade and curb appeal, but overhanging branches can damage shingles. Branches may scrape against shingles during windy conditions or drop debris onto the roof. Trimming branches back reduces wear on shingles and minimizes debris buildup. For Macomb homeowners, proper tree maintenance supports both roof health and overall property safety. Look for granule loss. Shingle granules protect against sun exposure and weathering. Over time, some granule loss is normal, but excessive granules collecting in gutters or downspouts can signal shingle aging or damage. Macomb homeowners who notice increased granule buildup should consider a closer inspection. Catching excessive wear early can help determine whether repairs are needed before more serious issues develop. Address minor repairs quickly. Small shingle issues rarely fix themselves. A loose or damaged shingle can quickly lead to leaks if ignored. Prompt repairs help preserve the integrity of the entire roofing system. Taking care of minor problems early helps Macomb homeowners avoid larger repairs and maintain peace of mind during changing weather conditions. Schedule professional inspections periodically. While regular homeowner inspections are helpful, professional inspections provide a more thorough evaluation. Trained professionals can identify subtle issues that aren't always visible from the ground. For Macomb homeowners, periodic professional inspections complement routine maintenance and help extend the life of roof shingles. Protecting your home starts with consistent care. Shingle maintenance doesn't require constant effort, just consistent attention. By inspecting regularly, keeping the roof clean, and addressing small issues early, homeowners in Macomb can protect their investment and avoid unnecessary stress. With proper maintenance, shingles continue doing their job, safeguarding your home, supporting comfort, and preserving curb appeal for years to come.